Hey everyone, Fast Eddie here. I'm out here riding around on the KTM 390 Duke today, and this video is going to be about speed upshifting. So any motorcycle, you do not have to use the clutch when shifting. So normal shifting, of course, all right, you're taking off, you're on the gas, you roll off the gas, you pull in the clutch, you lift up on the lever, you slowly ease the clutch back out, and then you get back on the gas. Normal shifting. So whenever you do that, once you pull in the clutch, the RPMs drop until you're, however fast you are with your hands, they drop and then they go back up and then you're in the next gear. However, you can shift up without even touching your clutch. So the way to do that, if you look at my little foot peg down here, so you just get a little bit of pressure underneath your foot. You're not forcing it up with your boot, right? You're just putting a little bit of pressure onto it and holding it there. So say you're riding on in first gear and you want to shift to second without using the clutch. So you put your toe underneath there. And this is not just normal shifting. Like I only do this when I'm taking off pretty quickly. Like I'm on the 390 Duke, so if I jump on the highway and everybody's going 80, I'm gonna have to speed up pretty quickly to get up to speed with traffic, because I don't want to get hit from behind going 50 and everybody else is going 80. So if I'm accelerating pretty quickly, this is when I do it. So I'm accelerating. So my toe is underneath the lever. I have a little bit of pressure going up. And whenever I want it to go to second gear, all I do is this with the throttle. I just relieve a tiny bit of tension into the drivetrain and everything else, and that automatically just slides it up into it. It slides into second gear by itself. So here's the shift lever. Here's my foot. I'm accelerating first gear. I just have a little bit of pressure. And then whenever I go like this with the throttle, just off the throttle, on the throttle, as fast as I can, just a little twitch, it just slides right up into second. So I'm gonna take off and go down, I'll speed up shift into second, speed up shift into third, and I'll kind of show you what I'm doing with my hand. I'll try it one more time. I'll go up to second gear and then third gear. I'll try getting down and looking down at the foot. Just a little bit of pressure up underneath the toe. Not a lot. Where again, a big advantage is when you pull in the clutch normally, the RPMs drop a whole lot and then you have to raise them back up. But if you're speed up shifting, they just drop a little bit and it's almost seamless, right? The bike doesn't ludge, it doesn't do anything crazy. Just as fast as you can move your hand to twitch it, the fast the bike would shift. Let's try it again. This is a narrow road. I can't see anything. those sandals, buddy. So along with speed upshifting, like I mentioned in another video I just released yesterday about my throttle, you want to slowly go on the throttle and off the throttle, very, very slowly. So I'm going to take off to the next stop sign, going on and off the throttle. So I want you to see and hear how slow I actually mean. Like one little hundredth of a throttle, hundredth of a thousand at a time. Slow with the throttle. All right, some more speed upshifting. I'll try to get down to look at my shoe again. As you can hear, it's just almost seamless, like I have a clutch assist or a shift assist or whatever. It's just as fast as you can, you just put a little pressure underneath the shift lever and it'll go right into the next gear really, really easily. Same thing with braking. Slowly on the brake, slowly off the brake. Not just grabbing, right? Everything is slow motion. That was a little slip right there. It went into neutral for a second before second. But there we go. So try speed upshifting. I do it on every bike, and it works really easily once you get the hang of it. Only when you're accelerating pretty fast is when I actually do it. All right, thanks for watching.